Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to enable rapid trigger on Razer Huntsman Mini. The first thing you need to do is open Razer Synapse on your computer. Make sure it is fully updated to the latest version. After that, go ahead and press the function key together with the caps lock key on your Razer Huntsman Mini. This shortcut will put your keyboard into actuation point adjustment mode. You will notice the lighting on your keyboard change, which means the mode is active. While you are in this mode, press the caps lock key again. Doing this switches rapid trigger on or off. If rapid trigger is already enabled, pressing it again will disable it, so make sure you turn it on only once. Once rapid trigger is enabled, you can start adjusting how sensitive the keys feel when pressed. You can use the arrow keys or the number keys from 1 to 8 to change the sensitivity levels. The lower numbers mean a faster response and lighter key press, while the higher numbers make the trigger less sensitive and require a deeper press to register. After testing your settings, press Function and Escape together to save your configuration and exit the adjustment mode. Your keyboard will now keep these settings even after you close Synapse. Thanks for watching.